He was recently designated as the ex-accompli for government relations. He was formerly the Undersecretary of Public Safety of the Department of Interior and Local Government from 2014 to July of 2016. As such, he directly supervised the Bureau of Fire Protection and the Bureau of Jail Management and Penology, and assisted the Secretary of the Interior and Local Government in supervising the Philippine National Police on operational matters. He is one of the few public servants who have been awarded the Distinguished Presidential Medal of Merit for extraordinary services rendered to the Republic.
To deliver his keynote speech, let us now welcome a true advocate for excellence in education, a leader whose dedication continues to inspire students and educators across the nation. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause as we invite the Deputy Undersecretary, Yusek Peter Irving C. Corbera.
Thank you for that very generous introduction. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Galing sa Central Office ng Department of Education at siyempre galing kay Secretary Sunny Angara. To our honored guests, of course, to our most beloved Mayor Isko Moreno. Mayor, thank you for being a gracious host for this palaro. To Vice Mayor Angelica Lechi Atienza. Nandito din, nakita ko si Mayor Gerald Herman ng Pateros. To our other local officials, representatives of your respective local government units. Of course, to our hard-working Regional Director, Dr. Jocelyn Andaya, ma'am. To our ARD, Rita E. Ridel. To our SDS of our host division, Ma'am Cheryl Gayola of Manila. To all our school division superintendents from all the 16 divisions of the NCR, supervisors, school heads, coaches, technical officials, of course, the proud parents, and most especially to our 3,500 learner athletes gathered here this afternoon. Welcome to the official opening of Palaro, NCR Palaro 2026. Today is it's not just the start of a competition. It is the start of a statement. The National Capital Region is not just the seat of government. It is the heart of opportunity. It is the crossroads of talent. It is where pressure is highest and expectations are even higher. And yet, year after year, NCR rises. You don't just compete, you dominate, you lead. But let me say this clearly. This Palaro is not about defending a legacy. It is about building a new one. Under Secretary Sunny Angara, sports is not just an extra activity. It is an essential. It is the core. It is a core part of education. Because we believe that education is not only about academics. It is about discipline. It is about resilience. It is about teamwork. It is about character. Sa ilalim ng kanyang pamumuno, patuloy nating pinapalakas ang school sports program sa lahat ng pampublikong paaralan. Pinapalawak natin ang grassroots sports development. Pinapalakas ang partnerships. Sinusuportahan ang National Academy of the Sports upang ang mga batang may talento ay may malinaw na landas. Hindi lang sa medalya, kundi sa edukasyon. Dahil ang tunay na kampiyon, nagtatapos sa pag-aaral. Sports keeps our youth in school. Sports gives direction to their energy. Sports turns pressure into power. Sa ating mga atleta, ngayon, direkta ako sa inyong sasalita. You did not arrive here by luck. You trained for this. You and your families sacrificed for this. May mga araw na gusto niyong sumuko. May mga ensayo na halos hindi na kaya ng inyong mga katawan. May mga laban na natalo kayo. But you kept on going. And that right there is already victory. Tandaan niyo ito. Winning is not just about beating others. Winning is conquering yourselves. Panalo ang disiplina, panalo ang respeto, panalo ang tapang na bumabangon kapag nadapa. Ang takot, ang pagod, ang pagdududa, kapag nalampasan mo ang mga ito, kampiyon ka na. Sa ating mga coaches, you do not just train athletes, you build leaders, you form character. Sa ating mga technical officials, you protect fairness and integrity. Sa ating mga magulang, kayo ang pinakaunang fans, pinakaunang sponsors, at pinakaunang prayer warriors ng mga ating mga bata. So, 16 divisions, different cities, different stories, but one NCR, one spirit, one goal. Ngayong linggo ito, maglalaban kayo. Pero pagkatapos nito, kayo pa rin ay isang rehiyon. When NCR steps into the palarong pambansa, you carry not just your division, you carry the pride of the nation's capital. So when you step out into that court, that track, that pool, do not play small. Play with discipline, play with heart, play with pride. Kapag napagod ka na, alalahanin mo lang kung bakit ka nagsimula. Kapag kinakabahan ka na, alalahanin mo lang kung ilang beses kang bumangon para makarating dito. Kapag nahihirapan ka, tandaan mo, someone prayed for you to be here. Someone sacrificed so that you can wear that uniform. Someone believes that you can do more than you think. You represent your family, your school, your city, your NCR. So let this palaro ignite something inside you. Not just the desire to win, but the courage to lead. NCR, this is your moment. Show the country why you remain strong. Show them why you remain united. Show them why you will remain champions until the palaro. Mabuhay ang NCR Palaro 2026. Mabuhay ang National Capital Region. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat.
Awards the plaque of appreciation. Again, may we request our keynote speaker to remain on stage as Asik Joyce Andaya awards the plaque of appreciation. Ladies and gentlemen, this team is one of the most followed teams in the Premier Volleyball League. Since 2017, they have won 90 podium finishes, 10 PBL Championships, completing a Grand Slam in RAN 2024 and producing multiple MVPs and Best Position awards. Known for raising the standard for Philippine volleyball and spreading everyday good vibes on and off the court. They serve exemplary role models not just for volleyball, but for all the student athletes here today. Let us all welcome the Creamline Gold Smashers! Joining us today on behalf of the team, jersey number 17, outside hitter, the former 2029 and 2010 Palarong Pambansa delegate, Rose Vargas. Jersey number 4, outside hitter and 2025 SEA Games Beach Volleyball Gold Medalist, Ditch Rodriguez. Jersey number 15, middle blocker, Mika Sanchez. Jersey number 24, liberal, Alia Torres. Jersey number 13, liberal and 2029 Palarong Pambansa delegate, fearless Iron Eagle herself, Denden Lazaro Revilla. Jersey number 8, liberal, also Tia Chansa.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Kamusta po kayo? Unang-unang welcome po sa Maynila. At nakita niyo naman na ang pagbungad ng NCR Palaro ngayong 2026 ay binonggahan dahil ganun po kasuporta at ang aming alkalde dito na si Yormisco Moreno Dumagoso. Kaya kung maaari, palakpakan niyo po sana siya. Alam niyo, ang trabaho ko, nandito ngayon sa inyong harapan para ipakilala ang isang tao na alam ko namang kilala na ng buong Pilipinas. Ngunit mayayabang namin dito sa Maynila na narito siya na tumutulong at sinusuportahan ang mga kabataan para mahanap nila ang kanilang kagalingan, lalo't-lalo na pagdating sa sports. Alam niyo, kilala ko po ang aming alkalde dito nung kami bata pa. At nakita ko na pwede siyang maging basketball player dahil napakagaling niyang mag-basketball. Ngunit, dahil sa hirap ng buhay, pinili niyang magtrabaho at ipaglaban na sila ay makatayo. At dahil ngayon siya ay alkalde namin dito sa Maynila, sinisiguro niya na bawat batang Manileño at ngayon batang Pilipino mabigyan ng oportunidad na matuto pagdating sa larangan ng sports. Hindi ko na po hahabaan ito dahil proud na po akong ibigay ang mikropono sa aming magaling na alkalde na si Yormen Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Laking tondo, dating basurero at dating bus driver. Sinanas niya raw ang buhay na kahit isang diba. Umawag mula sa kahirapan na pasukit ang mahihiling na mundo ng showbiz at lalo na kilala ng tawag niya ang mundo ng politika.
mensahe sa kanila?
Unang-una sa lahat, importante yung pagtsatsaga. Tapos, huwag niyo mababayaan ang pag-aaral.
Ang punto ko, mga bata, isipin natin na tayo, simbolo ng kahirapan, pero simbolo ng pag-asa din. Kung nangyari sa amin, sa unang aming mga kasamahan sa Tondo High School, na kami naging matagumpay, sa aming kinalalagyan, pwede rin mangyari sa inyo. Dahil pare-pareho lang tayo ang iniihip na amin. Pare-pareho lang tayo ng kalakihan lugar. Kaya walang imposible.
Ay, sige ako. Para may pagkakang sa kanila, hindi yung ganito na lang.
Ladies and gentlemen, the mayor of the city capital of the Republic of the Philippines, Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno Dumagoso.
Thank you. I'm open po kayo. Itong SDO Manila, maraming surprise eh. But, you know, I'm really excited and happy today. Palakpakan natin yung ating Vice Mayor Chia Jessa. Nung kinakanta siya kanina ni Patrick, inspired na inspired po yan. Traders na chill. Charot. Sa ating Undersecretary Peter Irving Corbera, DepEd Assistant Secretary NCR Regional Director Joyce Sandaya, DepEd NCR Assistant Regional Director Riddle, Metro Manila LGU officials, particular na yung aking kasama sa Metro Manila, si Mayor Gerald German, madalas kong kasama yan sa meeting namin sa MMDA. Never absent. Shout out mga batang pateros. Yung aking anak ng ex-girlfriend ko, na misis ko na ngayon. Kaya lang, nagpaalam kanina, si Joaquin Dumagoso, si Konsihal, may eskwela yun. Kasi yun ang deal namin. Dahil ayaw ko siyang payagan na tumakbo Konsihal. Yan po sa katotohanan, hindi ko talaga pinayagan yan. Mapilit yung bata. So I met him, nag-meet kami halfway. Sabi ko, eskwela, kung gusto mo, dahil ang pangarap ko sa mga anak ko, silang 5. Simple lang ang hiningi ko sa kanila. Hindi sila kailangan maging valedictorian, salutatorian, o first honor. Ang hiningi ko lang sa kanila, bigyan nila ako ng diploma. Kasi yun yung bagay na hindi ko nakamit. nung ako'y hindi makapagkolehiyo dala ng hirap ng buhay. So that's why I told him, I will agree, but you have to go to school. Kaya ako nagpaalam yun, may klase ngayon yun. Hahabol siya sa kanyang klase. Si Joaquin Dumagoso, ang konsehal namin sa Dulo. At ang pinakamamahal namin niya SDO Manila Superintendent Cheryl Gayola. 10 ng ating assistant directors, the committee, the people behind for today's presentation to the SDO family ng Manila. Palakpakan po ninyo, sila po ang may gawa nito. To the Division Sports Officer, to the 2,400 athletes and delegates, the proud parents, supporters and sponsors. Una po ay magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. Kami po ay nais ko rin magbigay pugay at pasasalamat sa aming partner sa national government, partikular na sa sports activities of the City of Manila, ang ating Philippine Sports Commission. Palakpakan natin ang PSE. At nandito tayo sa makasaysayang Rizal Coliseum. Sa mga batang naparito na maglalaro, ito pong Rizal ay makasaysaya sapagkat maraming atleta at events, sports events, historical sports event na nangyari dito mismo sa Rizal Coliseum. So, to the PSE family, thank you very much. Sa mga atleta, maaaring ang dala nyo ngayong araw na ito ay ang inyong talento. Pero ako'y naniniwala na mas malayo ang mararating ninyo with consistency. Because NCR game is just a stepping board for a bigger picture. And I'm gonna tell you straight, nung araw, shout out nga pala doon sa teacher na ngayon, yung kaklase ko, si Arlan Rabino. Siya ay inilaban namin sa class namin sa palaro. Player siya ng sepak takraw. Meron ba ngayon sepak takraw? Agree yun. Tondo High School. Ngayon teacher na namin. Dati rin atleta. So, that's what I'm saying. And one of many, like you, proud, natamo sa ilong, nakataas ang noo, and I can say it anywhere. I am a product of public education system. Full-blooded. Noong daycare, tulungan center. Sa mga bata, hindi nyo nabot yung tulungan center. Rosario Almario Elementary School. Tapos Tondo High School. Kaya full-blooded product of public education system. Bibihira na kasi ngayon na talagang nasa pamahalaan na produkto ng pampubliko paralan. That's why I'm very proud of my teacher. Shout out, yung iba, nasa langit na. Lalo na, hindi ko makakalimutan na si Mrs. Laseste. Teacher ko noong grade 2. Ikaw, kwento ko lang saglit. Kaming mga bata, kayo mga mag-aral, isa sa ayaw namin mangyaring karanasan sa loob ng paralan ay ipatawag ang magulang namin. Naku, nervyos ko nun. Grabe. Sabi ni Mrs. Caseste, tawagin mo yung magulang mo. Eh yung nanay ko, sa bandera. Yung tatay ko, sa Pier 8, estibador. Sa buhay mahirap, hindi pwedeng gambalain ang magulang para lang tawagin sa eskwelahan. Kasi mawawala ng tsape or mawawala ng kita. The thing is, I am required. So, dumating nanay ko, sabi ko sa nanay ko, oy, pinapatawag ka ng teacher ko. Sabi niya, French word. Masabi ng mga bata. Ano naman ginawa mo sa eskwela? Ay, hindi ko po alam. True enough, she went. And I saw Mrs. Laseste sa labas ng classroom, sa pintuan, talking to each other. And kabado-kabado ako, pauwi na ako. Inahanda ko na yung WebEx ko. Kasi most likely makukulata ka ng nanay mo dahil pinatawag yung teacher. O di pagdating sa bahay, ikaw, sinabi ko sa iyo, mag-aral ka lang. Ginanon ako ng nanay ko si Chayong. Mag-aral ka lang. Ay, ano ba problema? Sabi ng teacher ko, attend ka raw ng recognition day dahil first honor ka. Di ba dapat, di ba ganun dapat tayo? Di ba nagagalit yung nanay ko? Attend ako ng recognition day. Eh kasi, ang problema pala, pinabibili siya ng long sleeves para umating. Sasabitan ako ng medalya. Yung problema, kaya very close sa akin ang public education facility. Problema, siyempre wala kaming tsape. Problema yun, dahil bibili. Buti na lang, may kapitbahay ako. Babae. Kasing laki ko. Nakahiram ng damit. Kaya problema, shoutout sa mga teacher na umabot ng dekada 80, alam nila ito. Yung problema, yung damit ng araw ng babae, ng dekada 80, may raffles. Dito. Ayun ang suot ko. Ayun. Kaya, mga bata, why am I telling these stories to you? This is not crafted by scriptwriter or whoever. This is real life. So while you're enjoying being an athlete, excelling from your sports, never ever forget the reason behind why you belong to the institution. In this case, educational institution. Lagi kayong magpupursige sa pag-aaral. I'm happy and proud of you, and we are excited to host this, but I would like to remind you, the reason behind why you are here is because kayo ay mag-aaral. At the end of the day, today, tomorrow, the day after that, somebody will lose. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo. Sa kanan. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo sa kaliwa. They may lose, and somebody will win. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo sa kanan. Tingnan mo yung katabi mo sa kaliwa. So, some will lose, some will win. That's life. And in failure and adversities, there is a learning curve that you can utilize or use your adversity in your advantage. Kaya gusto namin, gusto ng magulang nyo, gusto ng teacher nyo, ng trainer nyo, ng school nyo, ng principal nyo, ng SDO nyo, kayo mag-uwi lahat ng gold medal. But it will never happen. Now, having said that, some will lose, some will win. What is important? The goal of the region, of the NCR. One region, one goal. Because you are not competing to others for him or her to lose and for you to win. But you wanted to excel and be the face of NCR as a region to the country later on. Kaya si Amy Mayor, Uy, Mayora! Mayora Amy! Palagpakan natin si Mayora Amy ng Pasay. Kaya sa inyo, good luck to our coaches, teachers, pati na rin ang mga parents and guardian. Kayo ang tunay at tahimik na bayani sa likod ng bawat atletang ito. Children, students, athletes, palakpakan natin ang ating mga guro, mga coaches, principals, organizers, and everyone in their respective SDO. And last, sharing. Sabi ko, dito kayo magsisimula. Lalaban kayo sa buong bansa. For all you know, baka maging atleta kayo ng mundo. Why? My ex-girlfriend, na ngayon ay misis mo na, siya po ay member ng Philippine team. Black belt. Taekwondo. Kaya mabait akong asawa. Charot. The Vice Mayor's brother is our representative in the world. Champion din ng Taekwondo si Ali Atienza. So, even yung sister-in-law ko is the first Olympian. First Olympian when Taekwondo is a demo sports at the time. Eva Vital. So, yun yung gusto ko magamitin nyo balang araw. But at the end of the day, ulit-ulitin ko mga bata. Mag-aral kayo mabuti. Sayang. Enjoy being an athlete. There's freebies about it. But still, you have to focus through education. It creates more opportunity. Saan ka nakakita? Atleta ka na. Graduate ka pa. Saan ka nakakita? Atleta ka na. Honor student ka pa. So there is no impossibility. Kaya muli sa inyong lahat na naparito, in our own little way, through the leadership of our Superintendent, Ma'am Cayola, and to the SDO family of Manila, we'll try our best to make it successful, peaceful, at worth remembering yung inyong pagdako dito sa lungsod ng Maynila. To our principals who are here, thank you very much for supporting our students. And rest assured that your city government of Manila will continue to invest despite of our minimal resources. We will continue to count and concentrate all our effort and our resources to focus on MBN. Kung meron ba kayong may uwi sa akin, MBN, Minimum Basic Needs. 4 lang yan para sa akin. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. That's why we are here and proud, excited to host your game for this year. So maraming salamat NCR family for trusting SDO Manila to host this meaningful event in the lives of our athlete dito Inocencia. Maraming salamat. Mag-iingat kayo. Congratulations in advance. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng taong may kapal. Manila!